Hello everyone, this is Ujjwal Protra presenting you a lecture on production technology of Apple. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for providing me this opportunity. So, here are the contents that we will discuss in later part of the video. Apple belongs to family Rosaceae. Other members of this family are pear and quince. Its genus is Malus and species is Domestica, so the binomial name is Malus domestica. Apple is also known as king of temperate fruits. It is a symbol of health. Apple is also known as premier fruit of the world. Apple trees are deciduous in nature and it is most widely grown temperate fruit of the world. Himachal Pradesh is known as apple bowl of India. Among the fruits, apple have long storage life. Taxonomy of apple. Sorbitol and malic acid are the main sugars that are found in apple. Flower color of apple varies from white to pink. Apple is a pome type of fruit. Major edible portion of apple is fleshy thalamus or mesocarp. Climate and soil. Apple grows between an altitude of 1500 meters to 2700 meters. The temperature required for good apple growth is between 21 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall required is between 100 centimeter to 125 centimeters. The chilling hours required for good apple growth is between 1000 to 1500 hours of chilling. Soil pH required for good apple growth is between 5.5 to 6.5. Soil type required is loamy and rich in organic matter. Varieties of apple. Among the early season varieties, Tradesman Early is grown in Himachal Pradesh, Iris Perch is grown in Jammu and Kashmir, and Chobatias Princess is grown in Uttarakhand. Among the mid-season varieties, Starking Delicious and Red Delicious are grown in Himachal Pradesh. American Mother is grown in Jammu and Kashmir. Starking Delicious is grown in Uttarakhand. And among the late season varieties, Golden Delicious is grown in Himachal Pradesh. Ambari Delicious is grown in Jammu and Kashmir, and Raimur and Buckingham in Uttarakhand. Hybrid varieties of apple. Lal Ambari is a cross of Red Delicious and Ambari. Sunhari is a cross of Ambari and Golden Delicious. Ambrid is a hybrid of Red Delicious and Ambari. Ambridge is a hybrid of Richard and Ambari. Umroyal is a hybrid of Starking Delicious and Ambari. Planting. The dimension of planting pit are 1 into 1 into 1 meter. The planting system required is square or hexagonal planting system. The planting time is between January and February. The average number of plants in an area of 1 hectare can range in between 200 to 1250. Pollinizer plant. Apple is self-unfruitful due to self-incompatibility. The pollinizer plants are generally recommended in India. The main varieties for pollinator plants are Royal Delicious and Golden Delicious. Fertilizer application. The fertilizer application depends upon the age of the tree. The FYM generally given to an apple plant is 10 kg. The NPK required to an apple plant is 70 is to 35 is to 70 grams depending on the age of tree. Irrigation. The critical stage of apple is fruit set stage. The water requirement of apple is 114 centimeters per annum. Generally 15 to 25 irrigations are given. In summer, irrigation is provided at an interval of 3 to 4 days, while in winter it is given at an interval of 7 to 10 weeks. At least 8 irrigations are provided during critical period. Application of glyphosate at 800 ml per hectare or gamoxane or paraquat 0.5% as post-emergence herbicide suppresses weed controls for about 4 to 5 months. Maturity and harvest. Cultivars vary in their yield and the ultimate size of tree. Some cultivar, if left unpruned, grow very large, letting them bear more fruits but making harvest more difficult. Depending on the tree density, mature trees typically bear 40 to 200 kg of apples each. Fruit drop. In apple, there are three distinct fruit drops. Early drop due to improper pollination. June drop due to moisture stress and fruit competition. Pre-harvest drop is the most serious. Management. Pre-harvest drop can be controlled by spraying NAA at the rate 10 ppm about a week before the expected drop. San Jose scale Quadrapidiotus pernicious. It is a polyphagous pest which feeds on apple plants. The insect is covered with deep grey armature. Heavily infested plants have bark cover with deep grey overlapping scales. The plant vigor is reduced, which result in poor fruit setting and quality. Diseases. Apple scab. It is caused by fungus Venturinia inoculis. Its symptoms are light brown or olive green spots which soon turns black. Young lichens are velvety brown to olive green, becoming more distinct with age. On the fruits, small lichens develop and slowly increase, leading to misshaping and cracking of fruits. Powdery mildew. The disease is caused by fungus Podosphaerae leucotracha, which survive as mycelium on dormant buds. The young leaf shows white mildew growth on its surface and also on twigs and look silvery white. Conclusion. Apple contributes significantly to the horticulture economy of India. High density planting, water management including micro irrigation, integrated plant nutrient management and IPM strategy for plant protection are some of areas which need greater R&D focus. Adoption of post management practices and infrastructure development for grading, packaging, pre-cooling and storage of produce needs focused developmental attention. Thank you for watching the video.